Hi everyone! I just want to share our awesome experience at the Chatuchak Weekend Market in Bangkok, Thailand. So, it's our first time in Thailand and since hindi pa kami makapag-check-in, we decided na puntahan muna yung Chatuchak Weekend Market. Yung hotel pala namin is tabi lang ng Sutisan MRT station. So, we just took the MRT from Sutisan and headed towards the Kampeng Pet station. Just take the exit 2 and you'll be right at the entrance of the market. Pag akyat pa lang namin ng escalator, ang first thing na na-notice namin is yung amoy. And it's such a unique scent that tells you are definitely in the heart of Thailand. The market is so huge. We spent time walking through the alleys, browsing through all kinds of shops, and picking up some great pasalubong. At ang best part sa Chatuchak is yung price. Sobrang mumura ng mga tinda. And ang pinaka-highlight ng visit namin is ang food trip. We tried a bunch of local dishes from street foods to fresh fruit, especially the mangoes. They were so sweet and refreshing. Definitely a must-try when you're here. So kung nagbabala kayong mag-visit sa Thailand, make sure isama nyo sa itinerary nyo yung Chatuchak Weekend Market. Super saya ng experience and super worth it. See you in my next video. Bye!